Cancer, this reading uncovers the hidden karmic patterns that have shaped your life, your relationships, and the way your energy influences the people around you. Often, these truths are subtle, operating quietly beneath the surface, influencing both how you give and how you are received. This is not about blame, it's about awareness. By understanding these karmic truths, you gain insight into what lessons you've been carrying, the energy you naturally teach others, and what is now ready to be released. Throughout your life, certain people or situations have reflected back lessons that helped you grow. These karmic truths are often hidden because they operate through emotional currents, intuition, and your sensitivity to the needs of others. This is Aira. Let's explore your hidden karmic truths, card by card. The first oracle card is Emotional Depths Unseen. Cancer. Your emotional intelligence and sensitivity have often gone unnoticed or underestimated. People may not always recognize the effort it takes for you to navigate your own feelings while supporting those around you. Emotional depths unseen is a karmic truth that teaches both you and others. Your capacity to feel deeply, empathize, and intuitively respond to situations is a lesson in awareness, patience, and understanding. This pattern also shows the power of your inner world. Your emotional clarity and insight often guide others, even when your efforts are unseen or unacknowledged. Recognizing this truth allows you to honor your sensitivity while protecting your energy, ensuring your empathy is respected and not drained by those unwilling to match your depth. The second oracle card is Lessons in Nurturing. Cancer. Nurturing is your natural energy, but karmic lessons have shown you that not everyone responds appropriately to care and attention. Some people may have taken your support for granted or tested your patience, creating cycles of learning about where your energy is truly valued. Lessons in Nurturing teach discernment. Your energy is meant to lift and support, but part of your karmic journey involves learning where to invest and where to release. This truth also highlights the strength of your care. You have consistently created emotional stability for others, demonstrating patience, empathy, and reliability. Recognizing this karmic pattern empowers you to nurture with awareness, prioritizing relationships that respect your energy and avoiding those that drain or exploit your sensitivity. The third oracle card is Hidden Intuition. Cancer, your intuition is a powerful karmic tool, yet often goes unnoticed or is misread. People may have doubted your insights, questioned your instincts, or failed to recognize the depth of your perception, creating karmic loops that teach awareness and alignment. Hidden intuition emphasizes the karmic role your inner guidance plays. Your subtle insights, emotional sensing, and instinctive understanding of situations guide both your actions and the lessons others learn through your presence. These experiences strengthen your discernment. You are learning to trust your gut, even when others fail to acknowledge it. Recognizing this truth empowers you to act confidently and intuitively, aligning your energy with what feels correct, even if it challenges others' perceptions. The fourth oracle card is Protective Boundaries. Cancer, you often absorb emotions, energy, and responsibilities from others, which can be karmically draining if boundaries are unclear. Protective boundaries is a karmic truth showing that your energy is valuable and must be shielded from misuse or overextension. These cycles have taught you to recognize when to step in and when to step back, highlighting the importance of self-preservation alongside care for others. Your boundaries serve as both protection and teaching tools. They communicate your standards, show your value, and maintain emotional and energetic integrity. Recognizing this karmic truth empowers you to hold firm, ensuring that your care and sensitivity are met with respect and reciprocation. The fifth oracle card is Fear of Permanent Loss. Cancer, this karmic truth shows that people are beginning to realize the weight of your absence. Your emotional intelligence, care, and steady presence are not easily replaced. Your support has often been taken for granted, and now your boundaries make them aware of what losing you truly means. This fear is both emotional and practical. They reflect on moments when your guidance, empathy, and nurturing energy were overlooked or undervalued, and the possibility of your withdrawal brings clarity. Fear of permanent loss reinforces your position. By maintaining calm, thoughtful boundaries, you communicate that your energy is precious and finite, naturally demanding recognition and respect. At this stage, Cancer, your value becomes undeniable. Your emotional depth, nurturing nature, and intuitive wisdom are clear, and only those willing to rise to meet your energy will remain aligned with you. The sixth oracle card is Testing the Waters. Once awareness sets in, people may start subtle actions to reconnect, cautious messages, tentative gestures, or small attempts to engage, to see if your energy is still available, and whether they can meet your standards without repeating past mistakes. Testing the waters is their way of gauging your boundaries. Your calm, thoughtful responses communicate more than words ever could, showing exactly what you allow and what you will not tolerate. Through these subtle interactions, they begin to understand the depth of your emotional energy and the level of care required to align with you authentically. For you, Cancer, this stage highlights your power. Your presence teaches lessons silently, showing who is genuinely ready to meet your sensitivity and emotional intelligence with integrity. The seventh oracle card is Behavioral Adjustment. Awareness now manifests in action. People who previously underestimated, overlooked, or misused your nurturing energy begin to adjust, communicating with respect, honoring boundaries, and demonstrating consistency in alignment with your principles. Behavioral adjustment signals that recognition is no longer just internal, it becomes visible through concrete action. They begin to reflect your energy by being thoughtful, reliable, and accountable. For Cancer, this stage allows you to clearly evaluate who is sincere. Temporary gestures or inconsistent actions become easy to identify, showing who genuinely respects your presence. This karmic stage reinforces your lessons. Your boundaries and discernment protect your emotional energy, while attracting people who value your intuitive, nurturing, and sensitive nature. The eighth oracle card is Power Rebalance. Previously, you may have carried the emotional and energetic weight of relationships and situations, often smoothing conflicts, offering guidance, and maintaining harmony. Now, the energy shifts. Others feel the absence of your insight, care, and steady emotional presence, realizing the cost of undervaluing you. Power Rebalance is about equilibrium. Your energy now naturally communicates your standards, and interactions adjust to reflect the awareness of your value and emotional boundaries. This shift empowers you. You no longer need to over-explain, over-give, or justify your care. You respond thoughtfully, protect your energy, and allow your presence to teach its own lessons. At this stage, Cancer, your nurturing, intuitive, and emotionally steady energy is honored. Only those willing to align with your depth and integrity will remain connected to you. Affirmation for you: I honor my emotional depth, intuition, and karmic lessons. My presence is valuable, steady, and irreplaceable. Those who recognize my worth rise to meet it. I release what no longer serves me and move forward with clarity, empathy, and strength. Personal sessions start at $9 to uncover who truly recognizes your value, the karmic patterns at play, their intentions, and your next best steps. For ongoing guidance, love, career, money, and spiritual clarity, the $99 monthly membership gives full access. Cancer, your energy is rare, intuitive, and deeply nurturing. Only those willing to honor it will align with you.